Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So before we start, if you want to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can go to our watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing any of the buttons, then swipe left on the home screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, tap on it, and then select Wi-Fi. And if the Wi-Fi is disabled, enable it. It will start searching for the nearby networks. And after it's done, you should see the list. Find the network you would like to connect to, tap on it, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up and you need to enter the password right here. So give me a few seconds. And once you enter the password, you can tap on connect in the top right corner. And then if the password was correct, it will connect to that network. Let's see. As you can see, now it's connected. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.